Namaste and a very good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
I would like to thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today I am going to deliver a plastic pollution. I would like to start my Hindi lines. समझदार होकर भी हर व्यक्ति अनजान है, समझदार होकर भी हर व्यक्ति अनजान है, बढ़ता हुआ प्रदूषण मौत का फरमान है. Plastic is everywhere nowadays. People are using endlessly just for their comfort. No one realizes it's harming our planet. The single-use plastic should be banned. The government must take steps to stop plastic pollution before it gets too late. सुनकर अनसुना ना करें, प्लास्टिक के उपयोग को कम करें. I end up my speech thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a nice day.